The most significant meal of the day is breakfast. Your morning meal determines the course of the rest of your day. Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video featuring your best friend. A nutrient-rich breakfast gives you the energy and clarity to tackle the day and make wiser choices. Skipping breakfast and limiting your body of essential nutrients will leave you feeling lethargic, mess up blood sugar levels, and possibly induce brain fog. A nutrient-dense breakfast improves focus, lowers the risk of diabetes, controls cholesterol, and keeps you upbeat. However, which foods will work best? Does the list include avocado? What about yogurt? Why is wild salmon a fantastic option for breakfast? Today, we'll discuss everything related to one. An egg. To begin with, eggs are one of the healthiest and most well-liked foods, and people have been eating them for breakfast for as long as they can remember. Is the hype justified? Indeed, both the yolk and white sections are wonderful sources of protein and heart-healthy unsaturated fats. Getting the appropriate amount of vitamins and minerals to start the day is a great idea. Eggs are incredibly adaptable and can be prepared in a multitude of ways. They are incredibly filling and will keep you full until lunchtime, no matter how you prepare them. This stops the harmful between-meal eating that contributes to weight gain. Delicious, convenient, and packed with nutrients, they go well with sweet potatoes or ground turkey for a hearty morning meal. What is your go-to way for preparing eggs in the morning? Tell us in the space below the comments. 2. Plain Greek yogurt without sugar. Plain Greek yogurt without sugar yogurt makes a delicious breakfast. The first thing that comes to mind when you think about it is the prodigious amount of beneficial bacteria. However, the advantages go beyond that. Yogurt is a great addition to breakfast, especially for those trying to shed a few pounds. The nutrients will sustain the health of your digestive system and keep you feeling energized all day. Packed with probiotics and high in calcium, you can even add your preferred fruit to provide a touch of wholesome sweetness. If doing out in the mornings is part of your habit, it might become your best buddy. Buttermilk, which can be made by diluting yogurt with water and adding a bit of rock salt, is an excellent post-workout beverage that helps to relax and repair your muscles. 3. Oatmeal. Oatmeal. Keeping an eye on your weight? Looking for gluten-free breakfast options? The healthiest and safest option is oatmeal. It must be among the best breakfast items. A warm dish of oats is nutrient-dense gold. This quick and easy dinner, which only takes a few minutes to prepare, has insoluble fiber, which lowers cholesterol and stabilizes blood sugar, making it, along with some naturally occurring anti-inflammatory and heart-protective qualities, antioxidants are another crucial component. Cooked oats, healthy nut butter, and fresh fruit without added sweets will definitely prevent you from using that vending machine. 4. Dark tea. Dark tea. Normally underrated black tea is an essential part of a complete diet. Do you enjoy having coffee in the morning? Try switching to black tea. You'll wake up instantly. Black tea contains caffeine, which not only combats sluggishness, but also improves mental clarity. It may take some getting accustomed to, but once you do, this robust and flavorful beverage will be a terrific way to stay focused throughout the day. Simply put some tea leaves in boiling water. After letting it settle for a few minutes, pour it through a strainer to make a revitalizing cup of tea. 5. Untamed salmon. Untamed salmon. As strange as it may sound, eating salmon for breakfast with whole wheat toast and scrambled eggs makes for a tasty, substantial, and unusual meal. Because of its rich omega-3 fatty acid content, salmon is already regarded as a superfood for the brain. Introducing it at least twice a week will help you change things up in the morning routine. Starting your day with wild salmon, which is high in clean protein and a nutritional powerhouse, will help you meet everyday dietary requirements. It goes without saying that breakfast should be a nutritious meal and should not be neglected, even if you eat unhealthy meals for the remainder of the day. Making a nutritious meal choice at the start of the day will help you feel fuller and strengthen your immune system. You can also look at these meals for breakfast that will aid in weight loss. You should incorporate these superfoods into your regular diet. These films are going to be the ideal care gift for a well-being-focused day. How do you start your day? In the comments box, share your thoughts and recommendations.